Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to resolve the problem of Schedule 1 the game 225 failed to load custom.dll from the list. So first of all you go to Windows Security and then click on Virus and Threat Protection and go to Manage Settings. Okay, so you will scroll down and go to Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on it, click on Yes and add an exclusion. Go to File. Go to the place where the game is installed. Okay. Go to schedule and pick schedule. Okay. And uh, uh, and click open. So and now let's see if the game has the problem or not. Okay. So let's see. Play the game. And it opened well. Okay. Thank you. Thank you guys and goodbye.